These right here is the bang. Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I want to try what I've been seeing on TikTok and YouTube. I'm always like, let me try something. So I wanted to try some Gumbo Collard Greens. I know that kind of sounds, but hey, we're going to try it out. I looked at a few recipes, so you know me, I'm going to tweak it to me. So what you need to do is some collard greens. Yes, you can cut up some real ones, but I don't got time. You need you some gumbo base seasoning, or if you have gumbo seasoning, it don't matter. Andouille sausage, because this is the sausage I've been seeing everybody put in there, the andouille. Okay, you need you some chicken. I got me some shrimp that's thawed out. Now they had peppers, onions in there, different ones, but I had bought this from Publix already cut up. You'll need you some Creole seasoning, and what else? Okay, let's get ready to cook this stuff up. I'm gonna rinse my chicken off and be right back. But I'm also rinse the greens. Okay, one thing that you didn't see, you will see it right here, or I have it playing on the screen. I have some smoked turkey meat, and I got drums, but I think drums or wings, you can do what it do. Whatever you put, kind of smoked meat you put in your greens. But I have boiled it in a separate pot. I'm boiling my turkey wings, and there's a reason for that, but let's get into it. Okay, we're gonna cut our chicken. You know how like you just cut it how you normally put your chicken in your gumbo. Time to cut our andouille sausage, see, andouille. I actually got 2 packs because I made something else with this. I'm actually gonna get both. Okay, we're gonna cut our sausage like, you know, make them look like that. Okay, let's head over to the stove. Okay, we're gonna season up the chicken. Just put a little accent, because we're gonna season the greens more. Garlic powder, a little seasoning salt, onion powder. I'm gonna put more seasonings in it, but this is just what we're gonna use for now. Let's go ahead and get that stirred. Olive oil. Okay, let's fry the sausage. We're going to put a little olive oil in the skillet. Let's go ahead and put our chicken in there. Go ahead and add the peppers, salt. Go ahead and add your peppers and onions. Go ahead and let that cook down. Add a little broth. Just a little, because you're going to get broth from the turkey. Just add a little broth. Okay, this is ready. We're going to scrape some of the bottom. We want all that juice to come up. Don't worry about it, because we're about to add some broth in here. Turn it down. Just kind of scrape that bottom. In your pan that you was boiling your turkey meat, you want to go ahead and place that in there. We're going to add our Tony's gumbo base. It's a nice stir. Now we're going to add our greens. Going to pour some of this chicken broth, that broth that was cooking the turkey. And we're going to finish adding the rest of our greens. Now we're going to season it. Go on with some saffron mama. Onion powder, seasoning salt. I'm just going to add a little seasoning salt. Adobo. Garlic powder. You gotta hit it with the Creole seasoning. This is dash. All of these seasonings optional, but you gotta put that Creole seasoning in there. But however you season your greens, be perfectly fine. This is nature seasoning. Okay, so we're going to add some more of the turkey broth that was cooking the turkey. Give it some stir. Make sure you hit the bottom. Get some of that scraping up, but by you adding the sauce, it's going to come up anyway, but just to make sure. Put a lid on it and let it cook down to how you normally cook your greens. Okay, see how it has cooked down. I'm gonna go ahead and add my shrimp. And this is it. We're just really waiting on the shrimp to cook. You can turn this down low. We're gonna see what this hitting for once this shrimp is done. Okay, let's see what this is working with. Let's steam. Okay, let's taste some of this. What is that? As y'all can see, I went to church. I am going to get some of these out. Let's see what these are hitting for. It's my first time making it. Let's see, y'all. Look at the chicken. Look at the sausage. Let me show you some shrimp. These right here is a banger. This is a must try. I've been seeing these on TikTok. I need to save some of my stomach for my food, but I'm glad I tried this, because even if I don't add shrimp, I would think I would want to make my greens like this. Like, this is really, really good. I'm glad I found this on TikTok. But if you tried the the Gumbo Collard Greens, let me know. And if you tried my recipe, or when you try my recipe, come back and let me know how you like it. What did you tweak? What did you do? But this is really, 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 really good. I give this a 10 out of 10. And I'm not just saying it because I'm making it. I'm saying it for the different kind of taste. It's like a spicy Creole and that gumbo taste. Made me think if I should have just put some rice in there. But I ain't going to go that far. But make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know how you make your gumbo greens. Until we meet again next time. But get into these greens, baby.